cockatiel male named Matrix trying to pull a roof. There's 3 hens in there. One Kuja, Holly and Bissy. And he's making ritual, the tweet, the sing. Or he can talk, if you're lucky. I'll replicate a song and there's his wife, 6-month-old Kuja, the female, destroyer. Look, he's trying to attract another female. And he wants 3 bitches. He doesn't want 1, he wants 3. And he goes to the mirror. He thinks there's another male there. He's talking to himself. Oh yes, Matrix. Look at these big dozes. I've got Bozzados. Metal toe. I've got dozes everywhere. Oh, piece of fish. Oh, you messing with me? Oh, Diana got me Dana. Keithy from Adelaide. Oh, look at him. He loves chewing all the perches down. And all the shit falling down because he chews everything. All the plastic rings. Doesn't actually eat them, he spits every bit of plastic out. If I want to go through that, I'll go clean up later, tomorrow. Or every day I do a little cleaning. Not to be. Look at it. Matrix, we're going off the topic. You're doing your mating ritual. Because what happened today? You were busted, you humping hello into someone. Who was it? It was Kuja. Short-billed Corella, long-billed Corella Horace is the long-billed male. And Heather Hathor is a short-billed female. Bonded, love each other, ready to mate. Both in flash and ready to mate. Natalia and Boris ready to mate. Diago and Daphne already mating in that box there. Oh, look at him. He's a Kuja. Keithy needs a wife, but he's only a little baby. Oh, what are these 2 up to? They're talking smack up there. Oh, what are you doing? What smack are you talking up there? Cocky smack. The night 2 comes out and the night light goes on and the light goes off. The night 2's coming out to play. Oh, look at him. Oh. Vanessa and Fabio, a couple too. Yes, Vanessa and Fabio. Oh. And then we've got Link and his wife right next to me, but she had to be put in here for a day. She's uncontrollable. She's a dragon female. We'll be going outside in Avery with him in a couple of days. And until then, he gets to relax and she comes in my room and stretches her wings, her legs, whatever. A phoenix has to stay, a dragon in a cage. Look at this girl there. She is a big girl, I said. Oh, oh. Big girl there. Link the male, really. She's relaxing up there. She's come on with everyone in here. He starts to go outside every 6 months. And then he comes in with his, I would give him a son and she can have a daughter, like Dana there to Daphne. There's Dana, there's Daphne. Pick what one's hot. There's Dana, there's Daphne. What am I saying? Oh my god. There's the husband, the father, the Eye of Sauron. Me, the protector, guardian, no, the teacher, the provider, the manhole. There's the manhole there. He wants 3 bitches. Look at him. Manhole. Are you? Yeah, you manhole. Are you manhole? Yeah. Are you a manhole? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're a manhole. Yeah. Are you a manhole? There's your wife. She's building a nest down there now. She's got a couple of nests, makeshift. There's boxes everywhere. It's just funny they're breeding in a room where there's so many different species. And some will have to go outside in a rotational period. 2 couples a year come back in, 2 couples go out. They all come back in for a 6-month period when there's no breeding. Where they can all talk, socialise, teach each other, have fun, no fighting, all about peace, love, respect. teaching each other from the cloth of intelligence, the cloth of learning, cloth of amazing. Oh yes, you manhole, you manhole. Ah, you're a manhole. Oh yeah, you're a manhole. Look at it. Pops up, big manhole there. This big like 3, the new manhole. You do the CG version like a Disney. Like, you have to be MA, South Park, and make it. Someone in an Tim Burton. It's called the manhole. He wants 3 women. But yes, I have seen a documentary with an eclectus female having 8 males feeding her. She was playing 8 different males. And they had to find out what male was actually father, so they had to get DNA from all 8 different bird feathers. Oh, there, look at it. It's off the chain. What is this 2 doing? Oh yeah? What are you doing? Oh, you want to talk, don't you? Yeah, he's going off the fucking chain. Unhinged. Down the deep end. Loose cannon. Uncanny unchained again. Look at her, Dana, she's practicing. Oh, she knows how to fly though. She's a big baby now, she's about 6 months old. Oh, look at it. How much patches have I put there? There's patch on patch on patch on mirror on patch. It goes through the wall. They were trying to nest in there. I busted them. Natalia and her both were trying to nest in the wall. Hello, Boris. Hello, cockatoo. You fucking big dozer, man. Look at him. The big queen dozer. Oh! Vanessa and Fabio, what are you doing? Showing off. You never do that much. Oh, look at you. Link. Oh! Is that the manhole? Oh. The cockatiel manhole, look at it. I'm gonna make a movie about your manhole. The radio's all day, you're just singing to the radio trying to rip pictures, man. And then you try and pick them all up after you rip the one. Look at it. And she can see that. And they're like respecting the other 2 women, like, no, we won't have him root us because he's already rooted the other one and the other one can see us. There's no cheating in that there, but you try to, you manhole. Look at him. Yeah. You want to. You'd rather have 8 wives, 10. But they only want 1 husband and the other 2 respect. So there's 3 females in this room and they don't cheat on. These 2 won't cut the other one's lunch. The other one is a 6-month-old baby. They're a year old. They should have. But yes, the males will be coming for them soon. Oh, look at them. There's one's outside reading now. 3 couples. Oh, look at it. There's the wife. Kuja. Destroyer of things. Eater of shit. Poor of cement. Look at him. He's moving there. Where's the manhole? Look at him. Oh, he's spitting shit up. The manhole. Look at him. He's gone into manhole mode. Manhole. Yeah. He wants. Who's he want? Oh, he wants biscuit. Oh yeah. He wants to tap it. Look at him. Oh yeah. Look at him. Oh, his wife's there. Oh shit. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen here? I can see she's gonna bend over. Look at this. She's put her head down. Oh, she's flying off. She's doing the fly. Oh, she's showing what she's made of. The manhole is impressed. Look at him. He stops. He's like, oh wow. I better come give this one a dose. A big pounding. Documentary special. Cockatiel manhole. He's trying to play 3 women, but he only gets 1 there. Look at him. Oh, there. Manhole. Are you manhole? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's talking in the background. Manhole's going off. Oh! What was that? Dana stuffed up. I forget it on my hand for a sec. There's the Dana Gildy. Come here, dear. Oh, there you go, dear. 1 second here. Oh, look at this gear. You can sit on my shoulder. Oh, she's got my neck. Oh my god. Oh shit, she's fucking me up. Oh my god. There you go. Oh, look at these 2. Where's Manhole? Oh, he's there. Back to Manhole. And the documentary about a cockatiel manhole. And the blade. Look at him. Oh, yeah. And cut. Oh, no, wait. Back to manhole for a sec. Hello? Are you a manhole? Hello? Are you a manhole? Hello? Matrix? Matrix? Mate, look at this Dozeman. He's coming. Big Dozeman. Look at him. Oh. His wife there. Big Dozeman. Oh, Fleesh. Oh, Beast. Oh. Too fast, these two. Oh. Fleesh, look. That was so fast, Fleesh. You jumped my camera. Oh. 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 Look. There's Beast. Oh. Look at him. He's gonna swing. Swing, he's swinging, having a swing. Look at him having a swing. Swinging on the chain, he's swinging the rope. He has a swing. Look at him. He's swinging. Oh, yeah. He has a swing. He's swinging, he's swinging, he's swinging. Oh, yeah. He's fucking swinging. Oh, look at him. He's swinging the chain. Swinging the chain. Shit, you make me laugh. He's swinging the chain. He's swinging the rope. He loves it. Look at him. He's on tower. He knows he's off the chain. He is now on hinge. Loose cannon is fire. Look at him. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, yes. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, yeah. Yeah, hi. Yeah, she'll be coming out tomorrow. In my room again. You're a big deal. Oh, look at him. Biff. Woo! She's too fast. Look at him. He's dozing. Oh, yeah. Oh. 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 Look at him. Big Dozer. Horace is his name. Dozer is his middle name. Look at him. Oh. Whoa! Hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. 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 Oh, yeah. Big Dozer. Look at him. How's it? Oh. Oh. Big fish. Yes. Oh. Beef. Fish. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Ah. Bullshit. No way. Fish. Beef. Oh. And rain on the roof, a pin job, and the silence clears the air when this big Dozeman starts his lungs up again and starts screaming, and uh-oh, it's gonna happen. Oh shit! Oh no way! Oh bullshit! Look at him! Become a big. Oh no way! Oh bullshit! Oh yeah? You a fucking Dozeman. Where's that beast? Where's that fish? He's too fast, guys. Where's these cockatoos? Loving each other, staring. Oh, oh, oh. Look at these toes. Biscuit as well. Oh. Look at Keithy. We forgot about it. The Adelaide boy. He's just been sitting there. He's got his own show. Haven't you, Keithy? But it's the big Dozeman now. From the manhole to the big dozer. Oh shit! What the fuck was that? Was that aliens throwing rocks on my roof? No, that was just Boris. Boris! Stop using your mind to throw rocks on the roof. Oh, look at him! His wife's there. Oh, it's your wife, dude. What a trick that is. Oh, what a trick. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah. Good kid. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna press these around. He's buffed up. Hello. Oh. Yes, the couple. Yeah, I the others. Right here. Oh, big deal, dude. Look at this. Oh. Where's the manhole? He's staring his women down. Hey. They are the manhole. These bitches. They're not bitches, they're hens. They're very cute, intelligent, smart. Can even talk, tweet. But not really tweet, but talk and scream. You'll have to work that one out. Males usually tweet and can talk. Females usually just talk or scream. They don't tweet to get the attention because they are the attention. Then they talk afterwards or scream during or before it. Look at these big noses. Look at these pterosaurs, gigantosaurs, megasaurs, colossosaur, mega gigantocolossosaurus, a cockatosaurus, and their DNA is dinosaur. They were meant to be velociraptor, this bunch, as their DNA dates back to the dinosaurs. I think the apex predator would be a bit of Velociraptor and T-Rex. These ones would have been the Velociraptor and Longneck, or Velociraptor and Triceratops, Velociraptor and Diplodocus, but they took the non-violent way of intelligently speaking, knowing who to hang around, what flock, where to go, but not who to kill, not what to kill, because they don't kill. They eat seeds. Maybe worms is the only thing that could be the casualty. Oh. And the odd bug. Oh. Never their own kind, though they're in a species like this cockatiel is the cousin of the cockatoo. Is the cousin of the galah, is the cousin of the koala, is the cousin of the mighty Mitchell. Is a distant cousin of the cloth of intelligence of the Ecliptus. It's the cousin of the ringneck. It's the cousin of the princess parrot. Is the cousin of this big Khaleesi. Look at that. Dragon. Dragon in the cage, not good, but it is. She gets her space. She's only been in there a couple of days. She loves it, she's relaxed, she's on one little paw. She hangs up dot down, she stretches. She talks from there, she's happy. She gets her space because if not, she wants to get every female to say this is her room. It's not her fault. It's the only one I've had that's not social. It's anti-social. It was sold as me as an Avery Burberry hen. They're both 4 months old, 2 months off actually breeding anyway. So I said, they can relax a bit before the big Avery gets built for them, and she knows she'll go out there with him, and he'll come back in with his brother, and she'll have a daughter, I mean his son, and the daughter of hers will get to keep her company 6 months of the year when they don't breed. Because this room's a playpen for 6 months of the year, and for some other 6 months they'll be out in Avery's breeding. But yes, cockatiels breed all year round. They're like the mice of the rodent world. It's rooting 24/7. This one's a man pimp. Manhole. Look, where's my bitches? Yeah. Oh my god, this video has gone too long. Yes, skin. We're gonna cut it in a second again. Any last words, anyone?